Hello. So the first instructional technology tool that we're going to be talking about today is Flipgrid, which is it's a tool that allows students and teachers to interact with one another inside or outside the classroom. So it's a video discussion and content tool. So I, as a teacher, will go on this website, and then I could sign up and create an account, which I already have done. Or if I was a student, I would enter a flip code. So I would give my students a little QR code, they would scan it, and it would take them here. But I've already created an account, so let me just go to that. This is my account. I can go to my grids, and these are all the grids that I've created for this one. Just as a test, I can view it. And then as an instructor, I can put a video saying hello, I can put questions, and then the students can post their responses by clicking on this giant plus tab. So this can be used in a couple different ways. You can actually send out a lesson on Flipgrid. The students can use it at home in like a flipped classroom type environment, learn it, and then come back the next day with their responses. Or another way that you could use it in the classroom is for like an icebreaker. So you could have students post their opinions and they can send something to you. Flipgrid is very easy to use, and I am so excited to be able to implement it in my classroom in the future.